Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Beloit local and long-distance movers near me. If you are looking to move to and from Beloit, then 3 Movers is the moving company you need. We offer high-quality moving services for local and long-distance moves. Our service offers you peace of mind as you can travel to your new destination ahead of your items. Local Movers. Local movers offer moving services for short-distance moves. To be considered a local move, the distance to the moving destination should not exceed 100 miles. 3 Movers offers local moves affordably. If you are moving across cities or neighborhoods, you can contact us for a free price estimate for your move. Long-distance moving. When your move is over 100 miles, it is classified as a long-distance move. Long-distance moves can be moves from one state to another or within a state but from one corner to another. It could also be an international move which would require moving items by air. 3 Movers offers trusted long-distance moving services. Whether you are moving your household goods, office items, or other specialty items, you can trust us to get your items to their new destination. We have experienced people, trucks, and vans for all your moving needs. Our long-distance moving service is affordable and timely. We move commercial offices, families, and even pets across the state and country borders. We are insured to ensure that your long-distance move provides you with peace of mind as you wait for your items to get to you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Beloit moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.